Hello everybody, this is Sonia. Now I've come on here today because I've got some things that I want to show you that I got after Christmas, yeah, but not, and I just haven't had a chance to open them on and show you. So I've got this little parcel from Pam Elderfield. Pam, you keep sending me parcels. So very kind of you to send me parcels. This is the third parcel you've sent me. Thank you so much. And in the parcel we have, must say I did have a quick look because I wanted to. I'll have this beautiful card. Look at the card she made for me. Look at this. Pam sent me a book for my pins. She sent me a bear for my pin cushions. She sent me so much lovely stuff. She's spoiling me. And this says, to Sonia and Jeremy, have a safe and happy new year. So I think I did get this after Christmas, but the postman's only been here once because they're closed now till tomorrow. They've been closed now for, I think, since Friday or something. But anyway, sorry about the lighting on this. I don't know what I've done, but I think I seem to be a bit red. I don't know whether it's just a camera or something. Okay, so that's very kind of you to make me this nice Santa Claus snowman and wish me a Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year. So same to you, Pam. Thank you very much, darling. I really love that. And in here, I didn't look in the bags. I seen that there's bags in here. There's bags in here. Look at this. She sent me the bags, and look at, she's got two little owls. Wow, aren't they cool? They are really nice. You made those little owls, did you? On the pins. I do love these. I love these paper clips. I don't think I've ever used them much in my life till I started on YouTube. Paper clip. Let's see what I've got in here. Oh, tags. Look at these. Wow. Thank you. This has got a nice die cut on that. Look at that. Oh, Pam, look, you've already made them. You've got lines on them for me and everything. Oh, they're ready to go. Oh, thank you so much. Isn't this wonderful? Thank you, Pam. Look at that. It's one with dots on it. And, oh, this is really good. Oh, love that. Wow. Printed on that paper. I've just done some bit of printing out. Tags I do love. And they're all ready for me to make tags. Thank you so much. I do love them. Thank you. I'll be doing that. I'll be doing that. And then there's another one here. Made me nice paper clip. Look at that one. I do love that too. Really nice. It's a nice presentation, isn't this? Oh, look. Oh, wow. You made some for me too. Oh, isn't that nice? Oh, isn't this lovely? Thank you, Pam. I do love that. Thank you so much. Oh, you've made them for me, aren't they good? Look at, look at them, aren't they nice? Thank you. Wow. Thank you so much. I do love this. You've done some little colouring in. Wish I was going to do colouring in. Should probably try a little bit. Love how you've done the edges and that too. That looks really cool, that. Oh, wow. I put these in any of my journals. Oh dear, I love that. I might have to just write on there that they were made by you and not me, because I don't want people to think that I was that clever and made that. Have courage and be kind. That is beautiful. I love that butterfly. Oh, isn't this really pretty? Thank you so much. You know what? I could use them in my own journal, these ones. That's a good idea. I don't have my own journal. I'll make myself one. I'll make myself a journal and I'll use them in my own. That'd be the way to go, wouldn't it? That'd be really nice. Then I can keep them. Thank you so much. Thank you so much, Pam. I really appreciate that. That's a lovely prize for me. And then I've just got a couple of cards here that I've got from other people. Now, this one here is from Beth Scott. Thank you, Beth. That was really kind of you to think of me at Christmas time and send us a nice Christmas card. And she's one of my subbies. Okay, so thank you so much. She's got a kookaburra in it. I think she might be in Australia, Beth Scott. Could be. Don't know. I just got a feeling that she may be. I don't know who gave me this. I've got no idea. I know one of you's made it for me. Can you tell me who it was? Because there's got nothing in there. You probably sent me a letter, a note with it, but I'll probably since then got that mixed up in everything, so that's not anywhere about. Isn't that pretty? It's got a really nice card behind it, like sparkly, and then it's jocking on there. And then this one here is from Dawn. Dawn's Crafty Room. I don't know, Dawn, I'm going to have to go and have a look now, because you know what, when this came, it just went up on the string with the rest of them. I know that's not very nice, but we had to put it up to display it, and there was things going on, so I never got a chance to show you and thank you. And I really do thank you so very much for thinking of me and sending me a nice Christmas card. And this is really cool, because you've made this with pieces of, I think it could be washi tape, I don't know, or something that you've added to it. You've done a little bit of colouring maybe there, yeah, put that on. That looks really nice. Thank you so much. I really appreciate that. Thank you to everybody that sent me these nice things for Christmas, and these lovely things from you again, Pam. You're spoiling me. You're always sending me a parcel. So thank you everybody for watching, and we'll talk to you later. Bye-bye. Have a happy new year.